Andarki namaskaram, welcome back to Vamsi Bhavani. Welcome to the part 10 or the final part of the prompt engineering series in English. This is actually an attempt to teach prompt engineering in English after a successful prompt engineering playlist in Telugu, right? So I hope you all enjoyed the video, and obviously I'll continue making more videos around tech in English as well. So subscribe if you're new to the channel. When I approached the end of prompt engineering in Telugu playlist, a lot of folks ask me to provide certificate for this particular course, for this 10-day 10-part series, so that they can add that to their resume. If you guys also want something of that sort, there was a simple requirement from my end, and that was to get 3k likes on that specific video, the part 10 video in Telugu. Given that that's a big channel, around 500k subscribers, that's a decent task. But on this channel, the target is simple. If you hit the 500k, not 500k, if you hit the 500 likes target, right? If this video gets 500 likes, I would create a small test based on the knowledge gained in this course, in this particular 10-part series. And if you're able to get a minimum passing score in that exam, I will provide you with a free certificate if you really want. So hit that like if you really want to, right? And I hope you enjoyed this series. There was a lot to learn, right? Definitely, if you're interested to learn more, as I told you, read those research papers. Those will definitely help you to further understand. See, what happens in research papers is you start with one, and from references you just go on reading multiple. So that's also helpful. So you can go towards that route as well. Now, what's next? What's next after learning this course? Let's say you are in a non-technical field, right? So I feel after this you should be able to straight away go into market and apply for prompt engineering non-technical roles. Start with prompt engineering intern roles, right? And you can straight away apply that in the market. You have enough amount of good knowledge on prompt engineering, that too from a non-technical perspective. But let's say you are from a technical background, then post this, I would recommend you learning about auto prompting. You remember I talked about this in one of the videos. Then learn about REACT, React. This is not your React front-end framework, right? And then you have LangChain to learn. I would highly recommend this. Let me know if you want videos on LangChain. We can create that on this channel. And then transformers. Learn about transformers, right? And again, you can try applying for prompt engineering intern roles. Like on LinkedIn, when I searched recently, there are a lot of companies that are experimenting with prompt engineer intern roles. So try applying for them, right? And quote this playlist as your reference. Especially in Telugu, it's been a good hit. So people, at least in the Telugu community, know about this course. But yeah, anyways, you can just quote this course. Awesome. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.